Hello, this is Justin in BCN. I'm a videographer and blogger, and recently I've been making some tutorials about how to use a web page called Formaya. Formaya allows you to create online forms. In today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how to create a form and then use it or embed it on your website. In this example today, I'll be using a WordPress website. So let's jump straight in with Formaya. I've got a free account. I'm going to log in straight to my free account into the options page. Here we go to forms, and you see I've already created a few. This one was a mailing list 2015, was from a previous tutorial about how to create a mailing list and connect it to MailChimp. For the purpose of the tutorial today, I'd like to continue with this. And if you want to look at that tutorial, there's a link below in the description box about how to connect up your Formaya form with MailChimp. Not completely necessary for this example, but it's easier than starting from scratch. So I'll open this form. You see here that it's a very simple form. The mailing list 2015. The compulsory field is email. I've got a submit button and a name. Of course, you can just easily change the position of this. If you want to maybe put name first, then email, then submit. Perhaps you want to remove name if you don't feel it's necessary for your form. By adding it in one-line text, it comes back up. Name is important for a mailing list, so I'm going to leave that in. Perhaps you want to change the color of something. Let's make this green. See how that looks? The submit button comes up green. You can change the button color here. For the moment, I think that looks good for the purpose of this exercise. Minimize that. So you have your form ready. You go back to list of forms. We'll save that first. List of forms. Form tab. And over here you have a list of social medias or options. And this little button here allows you to highlight, select all code for this div command. So I'm going to select all code and copy that, close, and what we're going to do is we're going to paste that into a WordPress page. So part of my work is creating videos for BCN web clips in Barcelona. This is their web page, so I'm going to try to log into this. This is the back end. I'm going to create a new post, add new. It should come up now in a second. Okay, good. So this is where you create a post, or very similarly a page. I'm going to call this test post. I won't be posting it live anyway. But over here you have a visual and a text. So I guess the visual is where you could do a lot of your styling, lots of these options. Text is where you can see all the different details, and I'm gonna paste the command. That's the full command that we got from Formaya straight into that page, just as the example. So save draft, and then I'm going to preview this to show you how it works. Okay, I think that's saved, and I'm going to click on preview. Opening a new window. So hypothetically, this could be a page that you could design, or it could be a post that you design with your specific form, customized to your liking. This is a simple example. This is the only compulsory field that I'm going to use today. I'm going to throw in the name Justin and BCN. gmail.com. I'll include the L, it might work, and submit. So It really is as simple as that. You see it, message sent. Now, the way you can check that is you can go back, of course, to Formaya and go to submissions, and you see one unread message. You can view that message, and it would appear here. And of course, you can go back to the MailChimp, your MailChimp account if it's linked up, and go to lists and see mailing list 2015, and you see here Justin in bcn@gmail.com. So that's all working very well, and that's really it. That's how you create a form in Formaya, and with this code, link it to or embed it into your website, or in this example, a WordPress page. Thanks for watching, and look out for further tutorials using Formaya in the future.